Meaning of demolition.
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 Demolition. The term demolition refers to the process of destroying or tearing down a building or structure. This process can be achieved through various means, including implosion, excavation, and mechanical dismantling. The end result of demolition is a cleared site where the original structure once stood. Demolition can be carried out for a range of reasons, including safety concerns, urban renewal initiatives, or clearing space for new construction projects. Ultimately, the goal of demolition is to remove all traces of the previous structure, leaving a clean slate for future development.